not by me.
We will find out. The way I see it, we can do whatever we want. Do we have a deal?
What the hell are you?
We are Venom.
Whoa, that's a scary face. We're getting straight into the tutorial and we are priming the eyes with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer or just any concealer of your choice, and then I'm blending that out with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. I am going to blend it over my eyebrows as well to help fade them a little bit because we will be painting over them. I'm going to set that with a white eyeshadow. This is called Bump by Urban Decay, and I'm just going to put it over my whole eyelid to stop any creasing. If you have a thicker eyebrows, I recommend glue sticking them down. I'll put a link to a video showing you how to do this in the description down below. Now I'm just mapping out the design of Venom's face with a white eyeliner pencil, and this is by Barrym. Really take your time with this step because it can get really confusing. It's all about trial and error, and if you do make a mistake, just get a makeup wipe and clear it up. So while I'm doing this, I can let you know that I'm doing the 31 Days of Halloween challenge on my Instagram page. So that means every day this October I'll be uploading a Halloween look. So if you want to see more Halloween looks, make sure you are following me on Instagram. I'll have a link to it in the description down below, but my handle is @brooke.ellis_. I will be uploading a lot more tutorials this October as well, so make sure you're subscribed here on YouTube. Right, let's get back to the tutorial. So I've drawn the eyes and the mouth, and now I'm filling it in with some white face paint. This is by Snazaroo. It's just basic kids face paint really, and I'm just going to fill in the eyes but not go to the edge yet because I will be going in with a fine detailed brush and drawing on some of the swirls like I am right here. Again, with this step, take your time. I've obviously sped up this clip so it looks like I'm doing it quickly, but I really am not. Also as well, if you make a mistake, don't worry, because when we're going with the black we can sharpen it up later. And once I'm happy with the swirls, I then go in with the bigger brush and fill in the gaps around it. I am so excited to see this film. It's a Marvel film and it has Tom Hardy in it. I don't know how it can get any better than that. So I am so excited, and I have been the second I found out this film was being made. It's just going to be so good. Right, that's enough geeking out. Once I finish the eyes, I fill in the gaps with black face paint, again by Snazaroo. This is water-based, so it washes out really easily and it doesn't stain. So I don't have a line along my hairline, I do blend it into my hair, and then I go around the swirls really carefully with a fine brush. Looking back now at the white face paint, it does look really streaky, but I do go over it later on with a white eyeshadow and some more paint, but I don't think my camera recorded it. So just to let you know and give you a heads up now that you might need to do a few layers to get it to not be streaky, but that's just white face paint. It can be really tricky. Looking cute. So now we're going to go on to the mouth, and you can see here that I mixed a light pink with the white to make it really light pink, so it's a gum colour. You can see in the clip that it's not mixed up in some areas, but I did smooth over it, but I kind of like the effect it gave. And then I go straight onto the teeth. With the teeth, don't worry if they're not symmetrical or the right size and things like that, because this is like a creature. It's not going to have perfectly straight teeth. They're all the same size and symmetrical. It's just not happening. So just don't worry about the teeth, because that can be really difficult. But as you can see here, they're all different shapes, all different sizes. just get the points at the end. That's kind of what you need. You can see here sometimes I put two teeth quite far away from each other, so I would fit a little skinny one in between. It doesn't need to be perfect, just get some scary teeth in there. So once I'd done that, I got a more of a bright darker pink, and I just go around the edges of the teeth, kind of at the base of the teeth, just to give it more of like a 3D effect in a way and make it a little more realistic. I do this on every tooth on the top and bottom jaw, but my camera didn't film me doing the top jaw, so in a minute it'll just appear. So that colour I just mixed up there was a much darker pink, and this is going to be kind of the inside of the mouth. So with a detailed brush I go around every tooth and fill in all the gaps. What you can also do in this step is sharpen up the teeth by going around them and kind of tidying them up a little bit. So if you're not happy with the teeth that you've drawn, you can kind of fix it in this step. So now I draw some black swirls around my neck and on my shoulders. If I had someone with me, I would have got them to paint more on my back, but I couldn't do that. I kind of just had to make do, as you can see. But this is the final look. If you like it, make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future Halloween tutorials. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Eyes, lungs, pancreas, so many snacks, so little time. Eddie, cooperate, and you just might survive.